...2012 61 plate Mini Roadster Cooper S. We have 4 17-inch alloy wheels in black, as well as xenon headlights. We have the JCW John Cooper Works kit, which is colour coded, which is the wide arches and the front splitter just there. We also have black grills, as well as chrome trim around the headlights and the grills. Let's look at another alloy wheel. We have chrome door handles, as well as vents on the side skirts. We also have a boot spoiler, dual exhaust in the centre, which is flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. We also have rear parking sensors. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and does look superb from every angle. Now, if we head inside the car, we have full leather seats, which are also heated. If you jump inside the car, we have integrated speakers there and there. Foot on the brake and the clutch. We also have multifunction steering wheel. Now, this vehicle has done just over 88,700 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash, which is there and there. Now, this is a convertible. To open it, simply push the handle round, then push up, and then the vehicle is now convertible. Now, we do have a speedometer, which is in the centre, and the rev counter, which is there. We also have red stitching around the steering wheel. You can also raise and lower the rear spoiler. As you can see, it's now lowering and then raising again. And you just use this lever just there. Now we have DAB radio, which is just there. As you can see, just DAB. Then we have climate control with ice cold aircon, which works just as you would expect it to. And the 2 front seats are also heated, which again work just as you would expect it to. Then we have the electric windows, which is just there in the centre. And you can also lock the car as well. We have 12-volt connectivity with 2 nice sized cup holders. We have sport mode, as well as you can turn stop and start off and traction control off. Manual gearbox. And we have the handbrake. Then we have a little bit of storage just behind there as well. And there's a look at the passengers full leather seat. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of 2012 Mini Roadster Cooper S. The purpose of the video is to show the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, you want to fight your steering to keep it in a straight line. We do have the chili pack, which includes full leather seats with a leather steering wheel, and the leather seats are also heated. We have the John Cooper Works kit, which includes the colour coded arches, the splitter, and side skirts. Now, we do have sport suspension in this vehicle, which makes this car really stick to the road through those corners really well. We have a very smooth 6-speed gearbox, which is faultless. As you can see, I'm on third, in second, no issues whatsoever going through all those gears. So out of the roundabout, I'm taking a left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. Now, this vehicle is very comfortable to drive. Even though it has a sport suspension, it is a very comfortable drive. And when you're changing through those gears, every now and then it gives off a little pop, which adds to the sportiness of this vehicle. The seats are very comfortable, so you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We have DAB radio, as well as the speedometer in the centre and the rev counter in front of you. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries the past 3-4 years now. And with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, we feel like we're quite well prepared. Beforehand, we did nationwide next day delivery. We now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. We also sanitise our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, this vehicle does have the Challenger Cup alloys, which is 17 inches, and they really do make this car stand out. We do have Facebook, Instagram as well YouTube, so feel free to follow us on either platform and subscribe. Just stay up to date with everything out of car sales and everything we get coming in and have going on. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, put it straight into reverse, just show you that the brakes work as they should. So wait for the traffic to go past, and I'll be able to put it straight into reverse. Pulling in now, and I'm going to go hard onto the brakes now. And I'm going to put it straight into reverse. As you can see, no issues whatsoever. Now we do accept part exchanges, so feel free to get in contact with the office and they'll be able to sort that out for you. If you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact, where we can do a FaceTime video where we walk around the car, show you bits that we may have missed, and also answer questions we may not have answered. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.